So this is a quick rundown of the Cosmic Pi analog board. We have two channels, channel 1 and channel 2. These are analog devices, op amps in an SOT23 package or 32 package. Up here we have a 4-volt regulator. So we actually run these at 4 volts instead of the nominal 5. The reason for this is to provide an isolated rail with better noise immunity. And if you see we have a lot of pads in this area, that's because we can actually bypass the 4-volt supply if we need to. On the top here we have some ferrites, which are used again to provide noise immunity for the supply and basically to keep this isolated. And again, the pads on the left here are for another ferrite, which would link the ground plane in the board to ground on the of the circuit, which at the moment isn't done. Let's flip it over. And so here you can see it's fairly simple on the underside. We've got two connectors. These are 4-pin, I think they're good for about 2.5 amps, 12-volt connectors with a little return on them to fix them mechanically to stop it wobbling around. And then up here we have the two SIPMs. If you look carefully, you can see that they are in different orientations. So this one is up and this one is down. That's obviously very important to make sure they work correctly. And then in the middle we have these pads which aren't used. These are actually for an LED, which we did mount, but unfortunately we had to remove because it was too tall and it interfered with the alignment. So it's coupled to this insulator slab like this. We put some optical grease on the two SIPMs, and then we tape it down to a wrapped scintillator that's wrapped in foil. The holes that you can see here and here are used to secure it to the main board. And oops, the others were put there just in case we need them. It could be used for another application. We considered screwing it through these two holes to fix it to the scintillator, but so far we haven't done that. So that's the analog board. There we go.